Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving right into a full guide on how to set up notifications on teamwork.com, your key to staying updated and productive at work. First things first, log into your teamwork.com account. This is your gateway to all the team collaboration tools that the website offers. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where you can customize your teamwork experience to suit your needs. Now that we've done that, let's move to the Notifications tab. It's on the left-hand side of the Settings page. The reason we do this is to reach the hub where you can control what updates you receive and how you receive them. Next up, you need to decide what type of notifications you want to receive. You can choose to get notified about everything, or you can customize your notification preferences. For instance, you can set up to receive notifications for new tasks, completed tasks, or any updates on a project. This helps us because it ensures that you only receive updates that are relevant to you, reducing clutter and enhancing focus. In addition, you need to choose how you want to receive these notifications. Teamwork.com provides several options, including email, desktop, and mobile notifications. You can also set up SMS notifications if you prefer. Let me explain why this matters. Choosing the right notification method can greatly influence your productivity. For example, if you're always on the move, mobile notifications might be the best fit for you. Finally, once you've tailored your notification preferences, remember to hit Save Changes. This helps us ensure that all the customizations you've made are applied. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up notifications on teamwork.com. This way, you'll be in the loop about your projects and tasks, helping you stay on top of your game. Thank you for tuning in today, and until next time, here's to your productivity.